Hey guys, we are back with another Cup O Noodles taste review. We got the limited edition Cup O Noodles Campfire S'mores with natural and artificial flavors. Ramen noodles and sauce. Who would have thought that it was artificial flavors? Well, alright, and so, yeah, we're giving this a taste test today. So, what do we got to do? We got to remove the lid, add water to the fill line, cook it for 3 minutes, and it says slurp away. So, guys, have y'all had these? Do these really taste like campfire s'mores? Well, as you can look on the back and see that it is a bioengineered food. So, I'm thinking that, yeah, it probably does. They probably did do something to make it taste like s'mores. So let's get this ready. Pop it in the microwave. What does it smell like, Rhea? Be careful, it's hot. Does it smell like s'mores? It's got marshmallows in it. See, it's got let's go slow. It's hot. It looks milky. That's chocolate milk. It must be. It's got a whole bunch of ingredients in it. So we're looking at 400 calories, total fat 14 grams, saturated fat 6 grams, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 800 milligrams. Might want to blow it. Fiber 1, total sugar is 9 grams, 9 grams added sugar, and protein 7 grams. I was thinking it probably would have more sugar than that. But as you know, guys, noodles, these type of noodles aren't good for us. So these aren't something we should be eating every day. It's got a sweet taste, and it does have a the noodle taste, and then a sweet taste. It tastes like s'mores to you, Ram?
It's like chocolate cocoa.
Yeah, it tastes like they put chocolate cocoa in, like Rhea said. But it don't taste like s'mores. It just tastes like some chocolate cocoa. Like that's what they put in it to give it like a chocolatey type taste. But it don't taste like s'mores. I still haven't gotten any marshmallows. Have you? I think they melted. Sorry. Yeah, it don't taste like s'mores. It don't taste like s'mores. So, Rhea, what would you rate this? You like it? Rhea said she likes it. I'll give it a 4 because they said it's supposed to taste like s'mores, campfire s'mores, and it doesn't. It tastes like Rhea said, like they put some hot cocoa powder in it, and that's the flavoring that it has. But it don't taste like s'mores. But Rhea liked it. I didn't. And just remember, guys, that these noodles, they aren't for like everyday consumption, because they are bioengineered food. Alright guys, so if y'all have tasted this, let us know in the comments, what did you think of it?
I'll get
An 8. So Rhea changed hers to an 8, and I gave it a, what did I give it, a 4? I gave it a 4. Alright guys, so that'll do it for us on this video.
like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.